I am very like quiet. Everyone knows this. I'm keep to myself. But like just my dad have noticed. He's noticed that I've like grown a lot. I am a lot more talkative with other people. And that's something I really wanted to grow in because it was like irritating because I wanted to, but I was like so shy. I didn't know anything about wires or like any of the names or anything like that. I just started and it's honestly not that bad. It's really fun. Like I know the teachers, they notice it and they appreciate it a lot because they'll tell us like thank you a lot because some schools their lights would be really dim and so they really appreciate that we help them. I'm actually doing something and helping people out, which I really enjoy. I signed up for the AmeriCorps scholarship. But yeah, I'm definitely going to use it for going to school. I never even thought I would do this. I needed something to do, and it's actually not that hard. It's pretty easy to learn once you get the hang of it. I've only been 4 months in, so I know I'm just going to grow even more.
Tablets in the all the way across the quad.